Yo, 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 yo. What is up? What's up, everybody? How are we doing? Let me make sure we're live on everything real quick. We're live on. Okay, stream is starting on Pump. We're also live on YouTube, and we're live here on X. So, let's see. Gotta make sure that we are live on everything, that we're kind of rocking and rolling. Bear with me. Gotta get everything set up for y'all. I don't know if you guys saw. I don't know if you guys saw the video I posted yesterday at like 3 my time. I was literally out and about, and I get a Discord from Nick, and he's like, "Dude, it works." I'm like, "What?" He's like, "I got it a post." I was like, "Okay, what do you?" And then I look, and he got our social publishing to work, so he was able to post from TikTok. So right then I was like, "Oh my gosh, dude!" I was like, "That's insane." So yeah, dude. So if you guys are just tuning in, we have social publishing live on Clipit, and it is live, and it has been tested. I have posted a TikTok from our platform. I've linked up our socials, and yeah, so you can now hook up your social media platforms to Clipit. You can hook. Let me set this up real quick. Okay, you can hook up your social media platforms. I can show you guys how to do that. You literally just go to publish and schedule. You guys can see here, I've published 2 times this week. You can see Instagram, TikTok I have connected, and I have YouTube connected. So another thing, like I said, we're building in public, everybody. And why is my flashlight on? We're building in public, and this, I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys. The this social publishing feature, like, Nick is a G, and he finished this like super early. Like, this was supposed to come out later in the month, but Nick was like, "Dude, what if I just get this done in a couple days?" So the social publishing is available on our site. You can now do that. I'll show you guys how to do it here, but let us, because this is a new feature and we're building a public with you guys, let us know if you come across any bugs, what's difficult, how we can improve it, right? So I've already kind of done my little deep dive into how I kind of want to get this adjusted, and I want to move the schedule tab to the main tab here, because this is cool, right? So schedule settings, connecting your accounts and whatnot, but I think more people are going to care about this, right? The calendar where you can publish and whatnot. And like I said, this, I have also, if you guys are new, right, I have also redesigned kind of the whole site, and that's another thing that we're gonna kind of flip to. And it's not redesigning like, oh, I have to learn a whole new tool again. It's redesigning like, I got a list of all the pain points I heard from you guys, what needs to be improved upon, and from there like, we're gonna fix all those kind of pain points, right? So that's what I mean by total redesign. And I promise you now, like, you guys have seen it, I believe. Why not just, whoops. Why not just show you guys again real quick? I have done a full redesign of the site, which a lot of it's the same, but so like this, right? So for instance, when we get to the spot, this is going to look different. It's going to ultimately feel and look the same and have the same capabilities. It's just going to be simpler because I mapped up the flows a lot better in this new kind of redesign. So that's yet to come, but you can literally come to the site here, and I'm going to show you guys, because I have this account right here where I'll refresh it here. This is brand new. I posted, this was a test clip.
1 minute to be exact.
What? Threadguy.clipit is the TikTok page I have now that's linked to Clipit here. And you guys can see I posted this clip directly from Clipit. And yeah, I'm literally just gonna spam this account full of Threadguy clips, and create a thread, be a clipper for thread guy, because why not? It's gonna go all over TikTok, but you can literally see here, you can click here. You'll be able to see what accounts you have connected. So give it a little bit of time to kind of refresh here, because this should say, you should be able to select these. Yeah, there you go. So Instagram, right? TikTok, YouTube, I select these. I can go TikTok, and then choose a clip. Like I said, this whole design, like there's a lot here, and a lot of it is kind of like these are literally every single clip I have within the platform, and I may not remember exactly what they are, right? So what I'm trying to say is the redesign of the platform is going to solve a lot of those issues. Right now, being completely honest with you guys, it's going to feel a little chunky just because the publishing was put in literally I guess it was finalized yesterday. So this is day one of having social publishing in the platform, where you guys can take your clips and publish them to your social media accounts. Yeah, so just know that you can choose your time here, publish now or later, or custom time. So we have a bug right now where you can't really choose a time. So I would just say, instead of trying to schedule until we iron out the scheduling bugs, I would say publish now is your best bet. Honestly, you can save drafts though if you need. So if you want to come back to another day, you can also save a draft. But I'm going to show you guys how you can connect your accounts. So you can do it in this page here, but I don't know. You're supposed to be able to do it in this tab, but I don't think it's dialed in correctly. And then, okay, for X and Twitter, we have to get the API, a separate API from X for the developer site that allows us to hook that up. So that's coming. We're working to get in the developer API, so don't worry about that. I'll be there. But to schedule, the best way to connect your platforms, you're going to go to Profile, Connected Accounts, and then wait for this to load, because these should show here. Maybe a little refresh is needed. All right, yeah. So it should load here for a little bit, and then you'll be able to see. All right, yeah. You can see connected. What you can do here is, for instance, you can go to, let's say I want to connect. We'll connect to LinkedIn, right? Connect. So it's gonna, like I said, there's some bugs here where it looks like it reset everything, but it didn't. You'll press connect, and you should get a pop-up here. Maybe pop-up blocked. Interesting. Okay, hold up. Let me refresh. So if you do get there's going to be a pop-up. Yeah, there it is. So this is our platform we would connect your platform. So you can see these are the platforms we support. X is not available yet because we get the developer API, but these are all different platforms you can link to and post. So you can see I have my YouTube and the TikTok and the Clipit Instagram on there. You can hover over it and see what your accounts are. So I have the Clipit dev account on Instagram, of course. I have my specific thread guy Clipit TikTok page that I can post to now. Essentially, just click on that. It's going to redirect you so you can log in with your credentials and you'll be good to go. And yeah, you'll then be able to post there. So I've been working on, like I said, I want to spam that thread guy account that I have there. I was having some clips also made for me. That's not the one. I think my chat is gone. It's fine. So I made some clips here. What is this? Here we go. Let's see this. Let's watch this clip.
How y'all feeling? How are you all living? Do I look tired? Because I definitely am. We have a special stream today. We have a good stream today. We have a lot to talk about today. We have two guests, one call-in, one serious. I mean, I guess they're both technically call-ins, but like all right. One guest has a time limit, one guest doesn't. How about that? And
what is this?
It went negative already. And then I fucking click back to go short it, and it just nukes 40%, like as I'm going to click, and I just got.
Here we go.
Like calling on light about it. And this fellow who I really want to get on the stream, Will, says posting is the end state. It's the treasury that awaited Alexander at the end of his conquest. It's all that's left for man after gaining the world. It's all there is at the very end of it all. Celebrities, billionaires, industrialists, scholars all wind up as the humble post.
So I think I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna do this instead because I like this kind of hook on the platform. And it looks like yeah. So for some reason it flipped the hooks and the ending. So something to look into. But I'm going to start it here. I'm going to write this down so I remember 441 to 512 is what I'm going to clip to. So like I said, we have also been updating Clippy. So I'm going to go at thread guy. Here we go. I want a clip around, what did I say it was? 441 to 512. Whoops, there's a dollar sign in there. 441 to 512. It will be posted on. So I'm going to do, because we're working on getting the crop integrated for this clip, I'm going to try and do it 9x16, but fit instead of fill. But I need it. Whoops, 9x16, not fill, but fit, so I see the full video. Okay, so the reason I said that is ultimately, and this is something that's also kind of solved in our redesign as well, the cropping. So you have the ability to crop this to, 9x16, 16:9, 1:1, whatever platform is needed. Right now, because our cropping feature is not working too well, if I were to crop this in 9x16, it would just go dead center of the screen, and I really wouldn't be able to see thread guy, right? I just kind of have a random clip or looking at the screen, somebody's talking. So I'm doing 9x16 instead of fit. I'm going to be fill. So what that just means is, wait, is that correct? Did I do that right or did I do it wrong? Fill or fit? Yeah, okay, fit is what I want. I think I can do it here. Well, I can do it here too, but let's ask Clippy. Why should I have to click buttons when you have an agent that can do it for you? But essentially, I'm doing fit because that will do a 9x16 video, but it's going to have the middle part be 16:9 so that we see the full screen. And that's just kind of my workaround until we dial in the cropping feature, which is going to be dialed in. Like I said, this is the goal for this is to be the best possible content creation platform on the internet. And we got to make sure everything is dialed in. We got to make sure we have cropping right, make sure the user flow is right, make sure every little bit and piece of this is absolutely perfect so that a clipper brand, whatever you are using our site, maybe you're just a normal person using our site, has all the tools they need at their disposal. And that's one of the big things we're striving for. And that's a really big push that we're doing over this month, is making sure every single piece of this platform is dialed in to your guys' needs, and fixing all those little minute bugs that are just like annoying if you're a user. Like I said, I honestly, I am the biggest power user of this platform because I want this platform to be perfect and I have to know my product inside and out. So I'm on this site every single day trying to figure out what's the best way I can make this. How simple can I make this? Listening to your guys' feedback, right? So reaching out to you guys, whenever I reach out to you guys, it's because I want to make this product better. And I want it to be the best possible product, like I said, on the internet for clipping or content creation or anything. Sorry, not anything. It's not anything platform, but for content creation and media in general. So I'm very serious about this product and very serious about where we're going. And I'm in the site every single day using it, posting clips. And now that I have the ability to connect my social media accounts and publish to this, I'm going to be cranking out clips just like a clipper would, right? Streamlining all of this. And if you are a clipper and you do bounties or you do or maybe you just follow somebody and you want to make clips for them, you can now hook up a social media account and you can try and track your analytics. So you have something to go, to just prove yourself that you show your analytics to someone. So that's very, very, very important. And I'm excited to kind of mess around with this a little more now that I have social publishing as well. It's going to be really fun to mess around with the site and make channels and just post clips. So I'm a true clipper at heart. Let's just say that. So all my clippers out there, just know we're in the same boat. Hold up, you're gonna hear me for a second. Okay, no, you're not. Just because I want to make sure we're live on Pump. I just gotta double check. Yeah, we're good. It just says connection failed. Let me refresh this. But yeah, so that's kind of what's going on here, y'all. And you know, we'll wait for this clip to generate. We'll post this right away. Another big thing about the platform, if you guys are new, if you're on X, throw a little repost up there. Let's show more people this publishing aspect we're going to test here as well. Another thing about the site that for you that are new or don't know, there's a lot of stuff going around. I mean, everybody knows if you're on Twitter, at least, you're seeing all this thing about Hermes and OpenClaw agents and API keys and all these different apps that have API keys you can plug into a Hermes agent to make it autonomous, essentially. And people have done that for media creation and clipping, and it's smart. But here's the thing. There's going to be a lot of people that either can do a couple things. They can't afford to set up an OpenClaw or Hermes, or they don't want to because they feel maybe it's just not for them, or they just, they can't technically do it and it overwhelms them to even think about trying to do all that. One of the big things here with the site is we have an agent built into the platform. So all of this kind of stuff you're seeing with Hermes and OpenClaw agents having API keys to specific clipping sites or media creation sites, it does the same thing, but you don't have to set that up. All you have to do is go to clipit.dev, and there's an agent built into the site. You don't need an API key to worry about. You just make an account, make sure you have some credits, talk to the agent. And the more you talk to the agent, the better it's going to get. And we haven't touched the agent capabilities as of much because we have it to a point where it's decent. And we want to get all the rest of the other bugs and bigger features out of the way. I'm going to tell you right now, Nick's favorite thing about this platform is how good can he make the agent, right? How good can he make this agent? Like, what kind of tools can he give this agent? What can he have this agent do? How can he have this agent learn, right? So once we get to the spot that agent gets updated, Nick's going to go make sure it's dialed in. And like I said, I want you to be able to just talk to the agent and publish just from talking to the agent and just confirm a couple buttons without having to have an API key or set up an OpenClaw. Let's just have it built into our app. I mean, of course, I know Nick wants to work on capabilities for it to be hooked up to OpenClaws and Hermes and whatnot, because Nick just think, and that's kind of the future of a lot of this stuff. But for the normal person, the average Joe, or somebody who doesn't want to set up an OpenClaw or can't, this site's going to take care of a lot of that. All right. So here we go. Clip creating setup. Here's what I did. Did the exact time limits, 31 seconds, time range, aspect ratio, TikTok vertical, but it's fit. So it's going to be a total reframe, and I'm going to go watch the clip now.
Probably get Twitter. There is no pastime in this world better than just writing and posting on the internet. Nothing else. And it's pretty insane to see basically sound ridiculous. I mean it wholeheartedly, that I genuinely believe my calling on life is tweeting. I really do. Like someone made a post today and they said, when you made it all in crypto, you're richer than you could ever have imagined. Everything's solved. All bills are paid for forever. Family's paid off. Everyone's paid off. What are you going to do for the rest of your life? And my answer was, I'm probably going to talk shit on Twitter.
That's funny.
There's no pastime in this world better than just writing and posting on the internet. Nothing else. And it's pretty insane to see basically.
Okay, I think we're going to extend it one there. Finish the sentence. But yeah. So that's our clip. We're going to post that directly on our platform now, because you can now post directly inside of Clipit, which is, it's a huge deal. If you are just somebody using the site on a daily basis, you can now hook up your social media accounts, post directly to the site. I highly encourage you guys, if you guys are stuck, or if you guys are stuck or having issues or need something, we have two ways you can do that. Go to the help here. You can, if there's a bug, ask for a bug. I think we have some other drop downs in here. Yeah, confusing UI, like all of this right here. Please use this. It really helps us. Confusing UI, export issue, caption issue, crop issue, performance issue. This helps Nick as well, because it gives a detailed report. And then ask Clippy. Like, Clippy is literally an agent running that has 3 LLMs built into it, 3 different ones. So ask Clippy. It's that whole experience of like, what can you do? It's going to tell you. I'm having issues with this. I don't know. I haven't gone that far and tested to see if you can ask, hey, I'm having issues with this. How can I fix this, or any of that? But you can't, the agent has all the context of the site around it as well. So play around with Clippy as well. Don't just manually think you have to do everything by hand. Clippy's there to help you guys, and that's how we built it. Okay, we have this now.
Sound ridiculous. I mean it wholeheartedly, that I genuinely believe my calling on life is tweeting. I really do. Like someone made a post
I
today
think this
and
is
they
a great
said,
clip. I
when
think we're gonna
you made it
clip
all
this,
in
and then we're
crypto,
gonna
you're richer than you could ever have imagined.
and
Everything's
then we're gonna
solved.
post
All
this
bills are paid
directly
for forever.
to
Families paid
this
off. Everyone's
page right
paid off.
here.
What are you gonna do for the rest of your life? And my answer is, I'm
So
probably gonna talk shit on Twitter. There is no pastime in this world better than just writing.
okay, so we'll have that
Writing and
export
posting on the internet. Nothing else. And
directly
it's
to our
pretty
platform.
insane to see
I
basically
haven't.
every
Okay,
powerful
I
person
haven't.
come to this exact same
Maybe we
conclusion.
should try
We have
this
a lot.
before I manually do it. Before I manually do it, I'm gonna see if I can ask Clippy to post this clip for me. So it's exporting. I'm gonna wait till it's done exporting. I'm gonna go at TikTok clip. I'm gonna say, okay, here we go. Can you create a caption for this clip? And can you post it now to my TikTok page? Thank you. All right, guys. This is I have not tested this. It should be hooked up this way. It should be. Then again, this is the first day of it being able to do this, but it should have all the tools and know that it can do it. So this would be a good test for Nick as well, to be like, hey man, this is dialed in. We can now post directly from our agent in the platform by talking to the LLM. I'm gonna wait for this to export in case we have to manually go in and post it. Well, we won't have to manually, but to get it to post on our platform. But let's try this. Let's try it. It doesn't hurt. We're testing this stuff all live, so you guys can see that Clippy will be able to post your video directly from the site by just asking it. And here's the crazy part. This isn't an open claw. This isn't a Hermes agent. This is a normal domain that you go to, clipit.dev. You sign up, get your credits. If you need credits, reach out. And you can talk to an LLM built into the platform that has been designed directly after Claude code. And what I mean by that is it has different versions of itself where it can spin up different tool calls, right? So B-roll, thumbnails, scheduling and posting, social copies, planning. It has it. Look at, you can see here, coordinator, creative thinker. You can now see all of this kind of come together. And I promise you, this LLM agent within the platform is a big deal, because it takes a lot of stress off you guys, and you can make it as autonomous as you want, or you can still stay in the loop. It doesn't matter. You can balance it out perfectly. The best part is you don't have to be technically sound. You don't have to have a crazy device. You don't have to, you don't have to do any of that. We have this built into the platform, so anybody, anywhere can have an agent within their editor and their media creation tools that will help improve their content and learn from their content. If I move my big head out of the way, you can see we have this purple brain here. Clippy will now, when that's enabled, Clippy will start getting the data from how you prompt your post, how you're talking to it, is going to start to learn. It's going to start to learn and adapt from, okay, hold up. It's going to start to learn and adapt from how you like to clip and how you want to post things and how you get your videos, whatever, maybe it's going to start learning all of that. And Nick that's the feature he's most excited for. And it's something where I think I have enough data to where we'll be able to see that. So it's going to be fun to kind of, like I said, guys, this is just the beginning of the platform. This is just the beginning. We have a crazy roadmap. We have crazy features to bring out. We're going to make sure this platform's dialed in. We're going to make sure this has the best possible product on the internet. We're in the Pumped Up on Hackathon, all this crazy stuff. We're making cool connections with people. People are using this. We have 300, I think, some users now. If I remember correctly, we have 348 users on this site right now. No way. Hold up. I need to check this. It says should processing on TikTok's end should appear on the page shortly. Hold up. I gotta make sure this is okay. Hold up. I am okay. Okay. Did it go to, do I have a different account linked up? I don't think I do. Hold up. It says it's everything on my end shows it's connected. Publishing queue. No queue this week. Published. History. Where is it? Huh. Hang on. Where is it in my drafts? Activity. It shows that it's published, but what platform is it? Hang on. Let me go on my phone and make sure I didn't hook it up to a different account. I don't think I did. I'm very curious if it accidentally went to a different account in case I had, unless it grabbed a different. Is it on this one? It's not on this one. Dude, I'm seeing everything here, but maybe it just takes a little bit longer for it to show up on that end. Okay, it's not on here. Let me check back to this one. Is it in my private videos? No. Okay, so 410, that's right now. It's on TikTok. Okay, let me go back to my library, I guess editor. Dude, I don't know if it's just like a delayed thing. I wonder if it mixed it up. So this is the post ID. It should process on TikTok and it should appear on the page shortly. I'm gonna ask it. I'm not seeing it. Not seeing the post. Is it still loading? Do you know? This is crazy. I'm very, very curious. I'm refreshing on my phone and on here. Is it in the upload? Is there anything in here? Post. Not on there. Okay. Okay, it's loading. The post did go through successfully. Here's what I'm seeing. Okay. Section sent. Why is this? That's the wrong time though. TikTok is okay, 5 minutes only. Give another minute or two. Refresh your TikTok page. If it's still up to 5 minutes, let me know. I can look further and repost it. It's not 7:24 though. Everything on my end shows that it's hooked up. Look at this. It shows it's posted on my end. I wish there was a link to it. I think that's one thing I want to add in there too. I'm going to ask it to try again because I don't think it posted. I really don't. Let's try it again. I'm seeing it all correct. Oops, in the platform, but not actually. Whoops. But not actually on TikTok. Can you make sure this happens? All right, we're gonna try this again. I wonder if it actually posted to the Instagram. I'm gonna check this. Okay, it's not in that. So something, it's hallucinating. Okay, let's see here. It's because everywhere, everything is showing that it's. Oh, what just happened? Okay, no, that's the old one that I posted yesterday. Yeah, so I don't think it's actually posted yet. But it could possibly be in a queue or something that I'm not aware of. but I don't think it. What? Hold up. I gotta show this to Nick. Is that really what it is? No way. Is that... I gotta ask him about this. Huh. Okay. So I'm gonna ask him if this is legit. This is crazy. I mean, it problem solved it completely for me, which is sick. But I don't know why there would be a limit per se. Schedule and publish. Can I delete any of these? Because I've been able to publish 3 of these. Like, this is the video that I was showing you guys here. I'm gonna see. I wonder if they have a limit. Well, good to know. I'm glad we're testing this live. But you can publish, and it looks like Clippy can do it. But apparently, I guess that makes sense why that's there. Because everybody is kind of on a free tier plan, and we are kind of paying for this service. But I want to make sure we remove that as soon as possible. But that is pretty sick. It's pretty sick that I can go. So, okay, if you guys, I mean, I can make a new account possibly. That's totally doable. Could definitely make another account and try and post, which might be kind of fun. Hold up. Hold up. Wait a minute. I think I have another account I can log into real quick. Let's see. I have some in here too. Okay, but I don't know if I can connect multiple accounts to that one specific TikTok. You know what I mean? So that's what I'm going to try and figure out. Because I don't see why I couldn't. Let me try. Let me try this real quick. Connect. What is the maybe this will work. There we go. I think it's this one. I wonder if it's going to boot this one off. Oh, it says I'm logged in. Hold up, y'all. TikTok is linking. All right, y'all. So you guys can see over here. I have it linked on another account on this one of my other testing accounts. So that is linked up. Let me now. So now I'm going to grab that same link real quick on X, see if I can get that same clip, which I should be able to get it. And this time, all right, so this time, this is my test account. I'm going to extract it. What I'm going to do here is because I know those exact time frames, I'm just going to see if I can get just that clip to go through, which will be sick. But we have that going now. All right, so we're working on the 3 post thing, but for the sake of the live stream, I'm gonna try this out. Cause why not? Why not? I totally forgot to look at the X chat. Whoops. Okay. So we'll kind of wait for this to go. Make sure we're not missing anyone in the chat. Okay, no, we're good. All right. So wait for this to go through. We'll try to make that one clip. We'll try to post directly to the site now with Clippy because apparently there's a 3 account limit, which Clippy showed, which shouldn't be the case, but maybe there is something on the tech side that I don't know of that is limiting. But that's definitely gonna be removed because it needs removed. You guys need to be able to post more than 3 times. So glad we're testing this live, and then you guys are like, dude, it says I'm locked out, or it says it's posting, it's not working. I'm glad I was able to find a way to override this, but we'll just kind of wait for this to go. I know the exact timestamps now of that video, which is nice. Which is clips. Yeah, 441 to 5. And I'm going to try to prompt that exactly in the prompt window you guys see too, because I think that's going to be important. I want to see if that works. If I can go directly to the quick clips and I can go straight with the specific timestamps I want and see if I get the clip first try or see if I only get one. All right, so now that's there. Quick clips with AI. I need a clip that is ranging from, what is it, 441 to 512. It needs to be, I don't know if this is going to work as being this specific, but it's a great test. I'm going to try auto because I don't know if that's the best way to do it. Oh, no. I need a clip from these specific timestamps for 41 to 512. Yeah. So let's try it. I don't know. We'll see if this works. It should work. But I wonder if it's a little too specific for the AI to like. I don't know if auto is gonna do the best thing. Because the clip is technically 34 seconds. But kind of check it out. We'll check it out and see. All right. Kind of sick though. Publishing is in our site, man. You guys can now publish directly from Clipit. I wonder if it went through now. I don't think it did. No. Yeah, there's definitely a limit. Huh. Okay, let's try this. Generate clips. Let's see if it gets that specific. I wonder if it's just gonna give us one. Be kind of sick. Sick, but also not sick. Kind of I mean, I guess not a waste. But yeah. It kind of feels like it only gave us one because it is moving at top speed. Very curious. All right. Round 2 of posting directly with Clippy. Like I said, dude, like judging from this conversation I had, like, dude, you can kind of just use words to schedule the post. It's insane. And it's sick that it says this. It explains it here. Like I said, if you're having issues and you don't know, Clippy is an LLM built with all the context around the site. It should be able to help you. It should know what's going on. It should know what it's hitting. Like it's not just some random chat bot. Like Nick designed this thing a very specific way. but you can literally see, and this makes sense because I wasn't seeing anything on my end. It's everything said it went through, but it didn't push through our hold up. Oh wait. Hold up. I think this is the clip. Dude, I think this is the clip. All right, sick. But yeah, you talk to LLM. It should be able to problem solve a lot for you. So yeah, if you have an issue, like I said, I didn't know if I was doing something wrong, if it just wasn't working. And it told me that my free plan has hit its monthly limit. So good to know. Just talk to the LLM. Should help you out. All right, so I think this is the clip. We may have to tweak it a little bit because it's 32 seconds, but we will see. And then we're literally gonna have Clippy post this. We're gonna have Clippy post this thing. I'm very excited for that. Very excited for that. This site's only getting better, and I love it. I love it. All right. All right. What are we at? 81%? Sick. All right. So Nick knows about that error. If you're getting that error and you posted 3 times, now we all know why together. But yeah. All right. 85. Let's go. And then I'm going to do the same exact thing I did here. I'm literally just going to ask Clippy to, I'm just going to copy and paste this, honestly. I guess maybe it was a different chat. This is, dude, this platform, man, blows my mind every day. There's an update. Every single day, man. Just keeps getting better and better. And thank you guys for being, if you're watching right now and you're part of our day ones, like you were here when we launched and the platform had bugs like everywhere. Thank you guys for hanging around. Thank you guys for using this platform and making clips with it. I really appreciate it. Like I said, being the founder, CEO, like I want to make sure this platform is the best possible product on the internet for clipping, content creation, you name it. Media creation. Yeah. Oh, is that maybe my Hermes though? No, yeah, it's Hermes. My Hermes agent is also linked to my Discord, so I can chat to it when I'm out of the house and stuff. And I have like hourly syncs. So I think somebody's like trying to get a hold of me. It's just my agent telling me what's going on. All right, 89%. This should be done soon. They finish in pairs of 2, if you haven't noticed. So there should be another one. Maybe is there one ahead of it? No. Okay, we should be good. All right, 99. Okay. See if this is the clip. I think this is the clip.
Sound ridiculous. I mean it wholeheartedly.
Yes.
That I genuinely believe my calling on life
Yes.
is tweeting. I really do. Like I
Let's
somebody posted
go.
today, and they said when
So
you
it
made
found me
all
5 others
in
and
crypto,
made
you're
this one
richer
for
than
me
you
that
could
I
ever
specifically
imagine.
wanted.
Everything's solved. All bills are paid for forever. Family's paid off. Everyone's paid off. What are you gonna do for the rest of your life? And my answer was, I'm probably gonna talk shit on Twitter. There's no pastime in this world better than just writing and posting on the internet. Nothing else. And it's pretty insane to see basically every powerful person come to this person.
Okay, so I'm gonna go to advanced real quick. I'm gonna extend it just a little bit. Yeah, I'm gonna extend it just to extend it there so it doesn't cut off. Just had okay, wrong spot. But close that out. We're gonna have that extend. And now that we're connected to TikTok on this platform, we're gonna wait for it to go. But I'm gonna say at the only answer. Let's post this clip on TikTok. Let's post a clip on TikTok. It needs to be 9 by 16. but in fit, not. It needs to be in fit, not fill. And the reason I'm saying that, if you guys don't remember earlier, it's just the way that because the crop isn't in yet, we're going to try and keep this full frame inside the picture as well. All right, so we go wait for it to generate. Also include a SEO caption for the clip to be posted with. All right, wait for this to generate. We're gonna do the exact same prompt I got. I shouldn't have any issues now because of the I reconnected it to a different account. So yeah. Should be golden. Should be golden. Let's wait for it to regenerate. All right. It's just loading now. Dude, I'm so stoked if Clipit can do this from the chat. This is like one of the biggest things I wanted. Was like, dude, we got to be able to talk to the agent and just say, this is the clip. This looks good. Here's the aspect ratio. Post it. Like, that's how easy this thing should be. So you can use the tabs, but you don't have to use the tabs. You know what I mean? So once this loads, this is where the joy happens. If you guys are new and you're tuning in, thank you. And you guys don't know what we're doing, we're Clipit. We're your AI-powered content engine. We're a site that allows anyone to take long-form content. Could be YouTube video, X video. Could be from Google Drive links, Twitch. Could be pumped out fun. And you can take those links, extract them, and put them into our site, and it's gonna make short-form clips for you, cut, captioned. Add B-roll if you want, talk to the agent, have it make you a social copy. But you can also upload your own video as well. And we have an agent within the platform where it will be able to learn and adapt on your clips and your style, be able to use different tools. It's designed right after Claude Code. So it has like 20 plus tools where you'll be able to essentially use them to better your clips or use it to, post your clips for you. And that's something we're trying out today. We've added in social publishing to the platform, and you'll be able to then create your clips from our platform and then publish them directly to your social media accounts. And that is a brand new thing. So we're going to now have Clippy try and post this off a new account because apparently we had a bug where you only get 3 posts. So we're going to change that, of course, and I'll give you guys an update with that. But I'm really excited to see how this works and have it be connected to the TikTok page that we have spun up. So very excited, very excited. And we're in the Pwned Off One Hackathon, and we're building this out in public and showing you guys the good, the bad, the ugly, the great, the new product features, the this, that. And it's very, very, very fun. We've come a long way. All right, dude. We're on step 5 of 5, and we should be able to see a post here directly from our site. So I'm like stoked right now. So stoked. Yeah. Let's see. But you gotta have some, I'm having optimism. I'm confident it's gonna work now. Should be good. All right. Come on, Clippy. I don't want to go look at the thing yet. I want it to tell me. I wanted to tell me that's done. All right. All right. Let's see what's happening. Dude, because I have a feeling if it's how I think it's probably per account. So I think this is where I'm a little hesitant. I think because I linked it to the same account that's already posted 3 times, it may not go through. That's what I'm thinking. But I'm also hopeful that it's not, and it's just per I don't know. We'll see. But we'll know here in a second. If not, I can try. I may be able to post to a different social media account. Did it work? I don't think it worked. What is the status? Okay, we're gonna see. Oh wait, did it recut it? What just happened? Why did it retrim it? Is it exporting it? Huh. Did it like lose where it was? I'm so confused. Yeah, okay. It retrimmed it. I don't even know what just happened. Okay, it's about to do it. It's gonna try it again. But for some reason it like retrimmed it, or maybe it exported it. I don't know. I'm curious on what it's doing here. It knows what it's doing. I can see the process again. Let's see if it gets to the same spot and then fails. It shouldn't, but it also, like I said, okay. Oh, okay, sick. Let's do number 2. Okay, so it's my guess is it's changing the aspect ratio is what it's doing. Let's do option 2, make sure to make it about the red guy since he's the person in the video clip. Let me know once. I'm gonna wait for it to be done here. I'm gonna wait because I think that's the best way to go about it. Is wait till it's done. Reprocessing again before I send the next one. But you can see clip will now show no crop may have black bars on the side. A fresh render has been queued. The clip is currently processing. Once it finishes exporting, we can post it to TikTok. Okay, yeah, there. Okay, so now that it's done, I am now gonna have it do this. It's gonna write the copy again and then post it. So checking, you can see get clip export status. It should show that it's done. Now it's gonna publish the clip to TikTok with the following caption. Boom. Like I said, we should be good. I don't know if it's per our like Clipit account or per like social media account. I don't know how they're tracking that. So we're about to find out if I got around it. So like I would think it would mean by per Clipit account, not social media page, I would assume. But I could be wrong. I don't know how it's supposed to work. In terms of that API that we're using to set up social publishing is what I mean. I know it's supposed to work, but I don't know what their barriers are and what you can and can't do. Because I thought it was supposed to be unlimited, but there's probably just something we have to enable. TikTok temporary delay on TikTok's end. Oh, I didn't do it. Can you try again? Retry the post now. All right. Says delay on TikTok's end, which probably is the same error that I got from the last clip. So I bet you it's because they have it blocked per social media account and not Clipit account, which makes sense. But hey, that's only for me. You guys can totally go there and post. If you guys have hit 3 post, of course you get blocked for some reason. I thought it was unlimited. But yeah, you guys can now hook up your social media accounts, make some accounts, make some clips, start posting. That's all I gotta say. If this doesn't go through, I gotta jump in a little bit, but it's been a pleasure hopping on stream with you guys. I'm really enjoying the streaming aspect. Even when the hackathon's done, I think I'm gonna keep streaming. I just think it's fun. It gives you guys updates, and I'll turn it more into like an actual stream. So it should be fun. But you're joking. Okay, well it says it's going. Yeah, I think it's the same. I think we got the same thing. which it's probably per account that's getting blocked. I wonder if I can manually do it. Let's try to manually do it. Oops. Just because I'm confident in Clipit. Okay. His live submission is to post on Twitter once he makes it big. That's the only answer. Public. Post now. Publish now. What? What's the required field? Oh. Publish now. Whoa. What? Oh. Is that really? Okay. Hold up. Wait a minute. Actually, it's this one I need. Hold up, y'all. I'm going to try this real quick. Hold up. It says one published. I don't believe it, though. Okay. Now that I have that done, hold up, y'all. Get this back here. Publish now. Choose a clip. Nope, wrong one. The only answer. Only answer. Red guy talks about how. Oops. Do I still have the caption in this chat? No, I don't. Oh, wait, I should really say it in here, though. All right. Okay, so now we should be good. TikTok, publish now. What? Okay, so there might be a bug there. I'm gonna send this to Nick too. But also seeing this. All right. Well, you're able to publish now. I'm just having issues. If you get that, if you guys also get that issue around, as you can see, I was able to publish here, and this is this one right here that you're seeing. If you guys are having that bug where it says you need like 6 million clip credits to post, please reach out. If not, hook up your accounts. Get started clipping. I gotta run though, guys. It's been a pleasure. It's been a blast. If you need credits or you need anything from me or the team, please reach out. Love to help you guys, support you guys. But social publishing is inside Clipit, and we have so much more to come, and I'm super excited. Like I said, this is the first day of this being live in public, so you guys can go hook up stuff. But just know there's going to be some issues, and if you need any, reimbursement for burning credits because something happened, reach out or whatever. But that being said, y'all, Nick has all of the information around bugs and stuff that has been kind of that we just experienced. So it's gonna get fixed, and it's only get better from here. So hook up your social media accounts, start clipping and posting on your social media accounts with Clipit. And I will see you guys on Monday with some, we'll probably have some great new updates, and maybe we'll get some more posts going on the TikTok account. With that being said, y'all, thanks for tuning in. If you're on X, I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. YouTube, same with you. Pumped Out Fun. We're here for the hackathon, and we, you still got some slots left. Reach out to your boy. But that being said, y'all, I will catch y'all on Monday. Yeah, go hook up your social media accounts. Peace.